Good morning guys, welcome to another week, another vlog, and I'm gonna get my hair cut because this is getting ridiculous. And I'm also trying out my new G7X, so yeah, this should be pretty cool. But I think I'm not gonna go film my inside of the haircut with the G7X, so I might just do that with a time lapse on my phone. So you guys can see that right here. Just like that, what do you guys think of my new haircut? On my way to Tung Chung right now, gonna see a friend. Don't know what we're gonna do. We're supposed to go see some waterfalls, but unfortunately it's kind of raining, so we'll see what's gonna happen. We made it to Discovery Bay right now. I'm with Kathy. It's raining and I don't know what's going on. I don't think we're going waterfalls anymore, but we'll see. Yeah, we can just swim right here. It's that bad. Right, so the rain has finally stopped and we're gonna finally go to the waterfalls. We think we found it, but we didn't know how to get there.
We will.
It started raining again, but we're on our way. We saw a side of it, so positive thoughts. So we made it to the waterfalls.
Yay!
I think it's a little bit dirty from the rain, but I'm gonna have a dip anyways. So pretty! It's beautiful here, you see? And there's another secret waterfall up there, but I'll come back when it's more sunny. And waterfalls everywhere. It's so pretty. And just like that, we're going back to Tung Chung to do bowling or snooker. Oh, we come to get Gong Cha, which is some good bubble tea. Miss that stuff. To play some bowling now. In her area, she's like bowler, because you know. Yeah. Bowling! Right. Yes.
I can do this.
Whoa. Yeah. Yay! So that just failed epically. We're finished bowling. It's been really good. She beat me twice. She got like 4 strikes in a row, amazingly. Hit her up. She's a really good bowler. You should guys play a competition for her. Don't bet. Anyways, I think that's it for today. I'm gonna probably go home soon and edit this vlog thing.
Bye.
Bye! So, I just finished work and a movie with my friends. Overall, it's pretty good. The movie was really random. But we do what the locals do and we're gonna get some food after. Some nice, delicious food that's missing. Wow, look at all that lamb. This is some good stuff. Dig in. I'm gonna stop vlogging for a little bit to demolish that because that's like my favorite thing. How is your food?
Good. That was pretty nice.
Better than yours. Let's put it that way.
Yours, trim.
I ordered a dumpling noodle thing.
Second bowl. That was the second bowl.
Second bowl, but it had shrimp in it. I don't like shrimp, so I didn't eat it.
Wait for food.
So in Hong Kong, you can also buy the ticket like this, and the trick is if you hold it down. So we just finished snacking after the movie. It was really delicious.
Two bowls of snack.
Yes, I eat a lot. So that was a great movie. Good time catching up with my friends. We're gonna hang out a bit more. We're planning to go camping, so look out for that. I said on camera, so you guys better promise. I don't know what I'll be doing yet, since everyone's busy, everyone's got exams, but I'm the only one free, so I might do a little kayaking trip. I'm not sure yet. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. But yeah, we'll see what happens. See you guys soon.
Bye.